Good afternoon. I'm Mike Konofsky with the San Antonio Family Association. Glad you're here. The 30th of May. Here at 2140 Babcock, planned Death Hood here in San Antonio, Texas. On Friday, the day after Ascension Thursday. And we're here to stand as a witness to life on this First Amendment Friday. To be able to stand out here and have free speech and be a witness to life. Thank you for joining us. We encourage you to come on out. Any Friday between 12:30 and 1:30, we're out here. The first half an hour, we hold the signs and wave. We're trying to get people to change their minds on life. In the second half an hour, we pray the rosary, pray in the gospel for you Protestant brothers and sisters. So, a couple of updates. First of all, the lawsuit, we need some help. I think you've heard this. I've made the appeal before many times, and we need help. Please go to SanAntonioFamilyAssociation.com. The lawsuit is about taking your tax dollars or my tax dollars and sending it to non-governmental organizations from San Antonio tax dollars so they can kill babies in another state. Every Christian should be outraged about this in the state of Texas. Every Christian should be, whoa, we can't, well, we have the lawsuit, and we're waiting for the 4th District Court of Appeals to rule on this particular case. And they're probably going to rule correctly now that there's new legislation. But if they don't, we're going to the state Supreme Court, Texas State Supreme Court, and we're going to win there. And as I just mentioned, we need the dollars to be able to see it through, to get it past the goal line. So we're guessing, but we're going to need about another $30,000 to $40,000 for the legal fees and the court fees and everything else. So we would encourage you to go to San Antonio Family Association and click on the donate button. And give what you can. Tell your friends, relatives, and acquaintances so that we can win this victory. This is the line in the sand in the heart of Texas. And the second one was in Austin, and they're fighting for it too. But ours was a year ahead in October of 23. Theirs is October of 24. So we're way ahead, unfortunately. And the next is the legislation that we just talked about, or I hinted about, and that is SB 33 did pass, and we're waiting for the governor to sign it. It did pass, and that is
gotta go through conference committee.
It's going to conference committee. I take that back. And then it's going to be signed by the governor. We've asked the governor to consider coming down to San Antonio and signing that legislation. But it's closing the loophole that I just mentioned, and that is a municipality or government entity cannot give money to a non-governmental organization to kill babies. Thanks be to God. And so we hope that the governor does take us up on that. We'd love to see him downtown on the 21st. So put this on your calendar. June 21st at 12 o'clock noon. We'll be at the main plaza downtown. That's the one right in front of the San Fernando Cathedral and City Hall. And we will have speakers. We'll start with the march at 12 o'clock or 12:30. And we'll go to the Alamo and back. And then we will have speakers from 1 o'clock to 3 o'clock. It's a fun event. And it's the Sacred Heart March for Life and Rally for Marriage. So it's both combined. And the reason they're combined is because the ruling on homosexual marriages back in 2015.
Yeah, 2015.
Oberfeld in 15. It happened June 22 or something like that. And then we had Dobbs that overturned Roe v. Wade 4 years ago that did away with Roe v. Wade on the 24th. So that's why it is a Sacred Heart March for Life and Marriage rally. So they're together, combined. So it's a lot of fun. Bring the friends, relatives, and acquaintances, your kiddos, pack them up, come on out and have a great time. With that being said, we're going to begin our